What is up, YouTube? Today we'll be doing a review on the Tecnock RC car series. I purchased this white one right here. This 1x18 RC car, mini RC car. Not that big, hence the reason it's a 1x16 RC car. Shocks is pretty decent, not as you would expect for a bigger RC car, but it comes with this remote control, the user manual as to how to operate this car, this product. The USB charger for charging the car battery right here and right there, and this tiny Phillips screwdriver used to open this remote to install these two AA batteries that came inside the box also. And it goes in here like this. Close it back. That's used to secure the batteries properly inside the remote. The power button on the remote is located at the back right there. You simply put this on. When you put it in, the red light will start blinking, which signifies that it's ready to pair to the RC car, which is what we're going to do now. We're putting on the RC car. The on and off button is located right here. You simply put it on, and the red light stopped blinking, which means it's paired. This RC car cost me $28.31 US dollars. Like, it's said to go 20 kilometers per hour. It states that it has 50 plus minutes of playtime. It's also all terrain. It's good for grass, concrete, sand, and dirt. Also anti-interference, which means you can play and race with your friends. Let's go for a test run, shall we? We're gonna see if this mini RC car is capable of flying and if it's capable of handling the blows if it tumbles over. We're going to do a little bit of a hill climbing test to see how much power does it have backing it up. As you can see, not much power. Decent RC car, good for beginners. I would definitely recommend it for beginner RC drivers, and use it as practice and upgrade to bigger ones later down in the future. So it's definitely a good RC car. Not much power to go up hills, however the speed is pretty accurate, and